Hey girl, hey, welcome to my channel. It's your girl, That Mom Who Cleans, and I'm back with another video. Happy Sunday, y'all. As you can see, we are jumping right into cleaning the kids' closet. This was definitely well overdue. So that's what I will be doing in this first clip. Now, guys, today, for the first time in the history of my channel, I only have a short video for you guys, and that's mainly because I had a stressful week, mainly trying to juggle my new schedule with everything that I do in church, and also mixed in with me not feeling well. So today you guys have a short one, and next week you guys will have a much longer one, and the week after, because next week when I drop the next Sunday video, I will be in California. I'm going to explain that a little bit in this video, but I'm going to make sure that I give you guys enough content this week to last for 2 weeks. So we're going to do that. Now, before I get on rambling like I usually do, let me introduce myself. My name is Jolene, and I am a 27-year-old stay-at-home mom of 2, and I am also a military wife that just relocated from the Bay Area, California to the DFW area here out in Texas. Now, everything seems to be going okay, but I don't really personally like the health care out here. I have sickle cell disease, if you are new here, and Texas does not cater to women, or I can't even say women because it's not only women with sickle cell disease, but they don't cater to sicklers in general, people with sickle cell disease in general, and that kind of sucks. Before I go on, I wanted to let you guys know, so this thing that you guys see me organizing right here, this is my kids' pajamas. Yes, y'all, these are their PJs. Now, remember how I told you that my kids have a lot of clothes because we've just been blessed with an influx of inventory with people giving us well seasoned clothing. This part though, their PJs, is all me. And it's all me because I'm a mom that likes to match her kids. So I definitely be going overboard with the matching pajamas, and it accumulated to this whole little organization section that's in front of me. So right now I'm just going through them, seeing which one is small, which one I want to give away. A lot of my kids' PJs, the baby would grow out of it, but Lexington will still fit it, things of that nature. So I'm just kind of giving it a refresher to see, my inventory, how much I have, if I need to replace the matching PJs, X, Y, and Z. So I definitely gave away a good few. If you see that I'm tossing some to the side in this hamper that's down to the right of me, those were the pile that I was giving away because my kids have a lot of clothes. And I gave away at least maybe 15, almost 20 sets. But anyway, I am just going to fix that and their closet just to make sure that it is just presentable, because before it really was all over the place and it was bothering me. So me just giving them that little bit of organization is definitely what was needed in here. So now in this clip, I'm just going over the sweaters that I felt like was too small for my youngest son, so I can give those away. And here is the last result. I really need to stock up on my pull-ups and Pampers because I feel like I'm running low. But now there's an overview of their room. I don't know if you guys remember, I told you guys that we had put back up their curtains, and it's still up, guys. It's still up. So I think that it was a success, and hopefully I don't got no problems with that, because the way how these boys like playing with their curtains, honey, if y'all pull it down one more time, then it's just gonna stay down and y'all gonna have the sun in your eyes every morning, because it's I don't know what y'all thought I was. But anyway, right here I'm just changing their sheets. Right now I'm refreshing their room because their room didn't need much. Like, my kids don't really like be ODing in their room, so whenever I'm in their room, it's mainly just pick up putting laundry away and like changing bed sheets and stuff like that. So that's what I'm doing here, and I was playing around with the idea of switching it up a little bit because I got tired of seeing the beds side by side. Oh, and I wanted to say something because I have a feeling that somebody's gonna say something. With my leggings, the print that y'all see, that is not a thong, okay? That is not a thong. That is just how the leggings are made. If you really want to go that deep and look into my behind, you can see that I have proper underwear on. So it ain't a thong. But anyway, I had to take a little breather, pick up the rest of the stuff so I can put the laundry away. And yeah, that's really about it. But now, let me get into a little bit on why I will be going to California next Saturday. So, as I said before, guys, um, the healthcare system is not the best here. I haven't had the best emergency room experience. I've only been admitted once into the hospital out here, and it was okay, but the care is not what I need. And I came from Stanford, and if anybody knows, Stanford is one of the top medical schools in the country, and their hospital literally backs it up. Like, they are top notch. And I miss my team. Like, so what I did, because I am tired of going through what I go through here, and I've only been in Texas 3-4 months, I booked me a flight, y'all. Yep. It may sound extra. It may sound like a lot. Like, oh my gosh, you booked a flight to go to another state just so you can, admit yourself in that hospital. Da, da, da. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. And you know why I did? Because like I said, my California team is top notch. My California team they're amazing. And I'm not about to settle for less. That's a dub. I've never settled for less in my whole entire lifetime. So if I'm able to book a flight to go back to the area where I know I'm going to get good care at, that's what I'm going to do. So I booked me a flight. It's 7 days. I only paid like $278 for it, which is not bad at all. And if it's only $278 from Texas back to California, I'm most likely gonna do this every quarter, like every 3-4 months. I think I'm gonna book a flight and go out there so I can admit myself, so I can get proper care, so my team can take care of me and give me enough meds to hold me down for about a month or two. And from there, like, just repeat the process. It's sad that I have to do that, y'all, but like, it really is what it is. Until I can find a proper doctor out here, until I could find an emergency room that's not trying to skip me, that's not trying to judge me, until I can find what I had back in New York or Cali out here, I think that's what I'm going to do. And you guys may have questions on the kiddos and dad. The kiddos and dad is going to be just fine. Because guess what? When I'm in the hospital out here or wherever, like, my family is together, when I'm in the hospital, dad is taking care of the kids anyway. You understand what I'm saying? So this is not going to be no different. The only difference is that I'm just not in the state, but I'm still going to be in a hospital. So he's still going to take care of the kids like he always does when I'm in the hospital, Anyway, like I was saying, I'm not really doing much in the kids' room. As you can see, it was not much pickup. I'm just giving the room a little hoover so I can go on over to the next one. Now, here's an overview. I low-key like the way how I put the beds. I think it's really cute, And that's just a whole overview of the room. Of course, I laid down their pajamas and their clothes for the next day. You guys already know that is a staple for me. I have to lay out their clothes and their pajamas for that night. So once they come home, it's just boom, boom, pow. You understand me? Oh, and I wanted to show you guys this bracket. So I got the bracket from Walmart. As you can see, it's like an extendable bracket because the one that came with it, my electric drill wasn't able to drill it in. So if you need an extendable bracket, go to Wally World. Now look at me being a handyman, hanging up my husband's picture. Yep, y'all see that. Yes, y'all do. Now we are back to my room. And y'all, that suitcase, remember how like 2, 3 weeks ago I told y'all we came back from San Antonio from that failed marriage retreat trip? Yes, we are now going through that suitcase to empty it out. Like, I promise you, I cannot when it comes to packing and unpacking. Like, I would literally leave them clothes in that suitcase for months if I have to. Like, comment down below if you're like that too. Like, how long do you guys take to unpack your suitcase after a trip? Please let me know, because I would definitely like to see if I'm the only one or not that be taking mad long to put them Johns back on. I meant to put them Johns away. But here right here, I'm just, doing the regular in my room, changing the sheets, cleaning the end tables, cleaning my dresser, giving it a little bit of hoover. I was super tired and winded right here, so I had to take a lot of breaks. Of course, my breaks were much longer, but I'm not about to, to keep a 5-minute clip of me just sitting down, like holding my head for you guys to see. But yes, guys, I do take breaks. I do take breaks when needed. I was definitely extremely winded here. If I'm not mistaken, this week I started PMSing, so I was all over the place, y'all, which is why you guys have a short clip this week, because I'm not gonna cap, I did not do much this week. Like, other than my church events, I did not do much because I was not feeling to do much, because I wasn't feeling well. I was tired, I was winded, stomach, back hurting, the whole nine, so I definitely took advantage of rest as much as I was able to this week. So now Dad is here helping me put everything back on. He was mad that I had changed the comforters, because he told me our orange comforter was still clean, and I was like, okay, it's still clean, we can just fold it and put it up, but I want to change it back to my green one, and that's what Mama did. So, and it's so funny because when y'all saw me take the comforter to put out, like when I carried it out, I had put it on my couch, and I promise you, still till this day, it's on my couch, just sitting there. Like, no one had folded it and put it up. Like, it's just sitting there. And honestly, I do not care, because who am I impressing? Like, tell me, who am I impressing? I ain't impressing nobody. I ain't pressing nobody. So it can stay on the couch for as long as it wants until I get tired of seeing it, and then I'll put it up. But that's how like, I'm really, like, I really did not care to clean, because me, it would have already been folded and put up and stuff, but I did not want to be bothered, so it just stayed where it was at. But anyway, y'all, yes, so sadly I have to book a flight to go out to see my old doctors. It's gonna be bittersweet, like, I'm gonna be happy to see them. Obviously, I'm not happy to be, in the hospital and stuff, but I am gonna be happy to see familiar faces and to know that they actually are going to take care of me, other than, out here where they just look at me like, oh, you're in pain, sorry, here's a Tylenol and go see a doctor. Like, what is that gonna do? Like, what is that yo, let me not even get started. Like, that's a whole different thing. I might put out a sit down video, a whole separate sit down video explaining everything that I've went through so far with the Texas healthcare, because it's really been a mess, y'all. It's been a mess. So, and y'all know me, I don't got time for the bullshit, and I don't play with my health. So, if I gotta fly out back to Cali, I'm gonna fly out back to Cali. And the plan so far, y'all, is to fly out as soon as I touch down in my old hood, which is San Jose. I'm gonna take a cab. I'll probably stop by the dispensary first, because the dispensary is literally down the block from the airport. But don't tell Daddy that, though. Anyway, I'm gonna stop by the dispensary, and then I'm gonna take a cab from there and go to Stanford. Admit myself, let them do what they gotta do, make sure that I got everything that I need to handle. And when it's time for me to leave, I will discharge myself, take a cab from there back to the airport, and take my ass home and be home that afternoon, that evening. It's honestly really that simple. Anyway, here I am doing y'all nephew's laundry, the laundry that never seems to end in my household. Um, I'm just spot treating his shirt a little bit. I use this Puracy stain remover, and I don't really like it. So I'm gonna go back to my OxyClean, the red and blue bottle. I feel like that stain remover spray will take out anything. I've been using that since my kids were born, and that spray is the truth. But that Puracy spray that I tried, like, I personally don't really like it. Like this little doodle stain right there, like I had tried to freaking spray it up and stuff, and when it came back out the washer, like it still, it still had the doodle mark, and I had to take it to the sink and redo it. Like, no, I don't got time for that. Like, I need to put you in the washer and I need you to come out clean. Okay? Okay. So anyway, I'm going to do that. Now, when that load had finished, I had to empty out the dryer from a load I did yesterday. It may look like the same load because of that blue and gray blanket, but no, I have two of everything, guys. So this was a whole different set, a whole different load that I had to take out. And once the load finished, I, made the swap. But that spray bottle is right there. If you see it, right there, I do not really like that. So like I said, I'm gonna go back to my my OxyClean stain remover spray and just call that a day. But anyway, that's pretty much it for the cleaning and the laundry content. All right, so here is the grocery haul. I got red and green pepper, another old cedar mop. I had got two of those, cream cheese, carrots. I got some strawberries for dad's smoothies, apple jacks because that's our favorite cereal right now, two bananas also for the kiddos and daddy's smoothies. I got the kids Halloween costumes, so they're going to be PJ Mask and Spider-Man. So fun, can't wait to see them in it. And I had got two of the brackets, so this is the second one from Walmart, so take a screenshot if you need to. And I also got the Parents Choice diapers, a face mask. Comment down below if you guys are using pull-ups, because I'm testing out different brands and I want to know which ones are good. Barkeeper's Friend, toothpaste for me and the kiddos, Pond's for my face. I got the closet smell good thingies because they closet, I don't know what's up with our closets, but it be smelling crazy. Anyway, I got the fridge magnet, as you can see, and two muffins because my family loves muffins for some reason. I got the blueberry and chocolate chip, Tropicana, the pink stuff because they love drawing on my walls. And I got cinnamon raisin bagel for my egg sandwiches in the morning. And that honestly is pretty much it. Thank you.